Hey, this is Razimul. Welcome there. Today I will show you how to set up checkout setting on your Shopify store. First, you need to log in your store. Then you can see this page. When you can see this page, go to settings. Then you can see option checkout. Click checkout. When click checkout, then you can see many option. First option is a customer contact method. A customer contact method to type a phone number or email. Select phone number or email if you want to select email, but a phone number or email is better. Then you can see option required um, customer to log in their account before checkout. If you want, click here or not click. It's just a process. Okay, then scroll down. You can see a option customer information full name. Full name, then you can see two option only required last name, required first and last name. You need to set up this required first name and last name. Then a second, you can see a second option company name, don't include it, it's optional. You can see click optional. Then you can see another option address line to this optional automatically. Okay, then you can see important option shipping address and phone number. uh, this is required, it's must ensure, because if you not get your shipping address or phone number, then you can why you can see deliver your product which address. Then you can see required, it's must, it's very important and noted. Then you can see a option marketing option. You can see select email SMS if you want, but tripping, if you want to start dropshipping business, then tripping it's not necessary. But if you want to locally any business, any restaurant type, others, then you can show your tripping part, tripping option enable. Then you can see 5% tripping or another. Then scroll down, you can see another option order processing. If you want to select automatically order item, but it's just process, but you need to fulfill this order manually. But because it's drop shipping, you need to fulfill this order. But if you want to automatically select this, then scroll down, you can see it ever non checkout email, which hours, then you can select everything, it's a process. Then scroll down and click save changes. This is a small process how to set up shame checkout setting. If you need any expert help or any expert counseling, and check my description, you can got a email contact from me. I need, you need to any help, I will support you. Thank you for watching. Tata.